What's the meaning of compassionately? Compassionately. Compassionately.
Compassionately. Compassionately. Compassionately is an adverb that describes the act of showing empathy, kindness, and concern towards others, particularly those who are experiencing difficulties or suffering. It involves understanding their emotions, offering support and comfort, and showing a willingness to help in any way possible. When someone acts compassionately, they create a sense of safety, trust, and connection for the person they are helping, which can result in a positive impact on their well-being and mental health. Ultimately, acting compassionately can lead to improved relationships, increased happiness, and a more fulfilling life for both the giver and receiver of compassion.